Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Dollar Tree haul. So today, it really is a massive haul. I have some products from the $1 section, but I also have products from their $5 and up or I think, what is it, $3 and up section. So if you want to see what products I picked up, definitely keep on watching. There is quite a range of products here, from makeup products to skincare to like essentials for the home, things for the car, something for my bed. So it's like random things, but if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. I also do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is down below. Let's just get into it. So I'm thinking like the easiest thing would be to start with beauty products. So first off, we have this Sassy Chic sponge. This is just a makeup sponge. It's so cute. It comes in various colors. I think there was like a green and a blue one. It has a little like heart at the top. It's just so cute. And I love trying out different sponges for when I do my Get Ready With Me videos, or even for my full faces of Dollar Tree video. I like to have some new sponges on hand. So this is one of the new ones that I purchased, and it's just so cute. Let's go ahead and get in here. I'm gonna see it. And these little like cases are actually really good for travel. When you use your sponge, you can throw it back in here, and it literally has like little suction holes here so it can dry nicely, so it doesn't get like moldy or anything. The actual sponge, I didn't expect it to be too soft, so it's like, you know, normal kind of sponge from the Dollar Tree. It's just kind of hard, you know, it's not going to be the best quality, but we're going to see how this works. So this is the first product that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Super excited, cannot wait to try this. I was like debating, should I purchase that first one or should I purchase this little stack here, and I ended up picking up both. This one here is also from Sassy Chic, and this is their makeup sponges. It comes with a blending, it comes with a highlight sponge and a contour sponge. So it looks like that's a little tower of sponges, all of them with different uses. Honestly, you can use it for whatever you want, but I'm guessing it's like the same kind of quality sponge, so I don't want to open it just yet until we use it on like the face. But there's a look at that. So we do have a pink one, a light pink, and then we get like a purpley mauvey kind of sponge. Picked up a pair of eyelashes from LA Colors. This is the LA Colors Dramatilash false lashes in the style Dreamy. I think I've had these in my collection before, however I don't think I use them. I don't know what happened to them, but I do want to take these and see how they look, because I always see them at Dollar Tree. I've used them before, but I honestly don't remember my thoughts. So again, this is just a one pair of lashes. It says it's comfortable, reusable, easy to apply, and lightweight, and they do carry like various styles at the Dollar Tree, so definitely check them out, you know. But I want to see if I remember my final like thoughts on this product, because this looks like a voluminous kind of style opposed to the other ones that they carry, which are more like wearable vibes, really small lashes. I want something to give me like a little something. So yeah, that's why I picked up this style here. I saw the Be Pure cosmetic brush set and I had to pick it up because again, this is amazing for travel, but also just the size of them is perfect for maybe if you want to throw it in your purse, if you do your makeup on the go. I actually have a coworker that told me she does some makeup like going to work in the car. So if that's you, you know, this is going to be perfect for you. I actually do my makeup at home and then I just take my lip products with me. But I know a lot of people are so different with their makeup styles, it's crazy. But these specifically, I bought them for travel so I can have them because I'm always looking for small brushes to take with me. So yeah, I thought this was going to be the perfect little set. It comes with various like brush styles in here. It also does come with a spoolie. It comes with like a little, like a couple like face brushes, maybe like two, and the rest are eyeshadow brushes, which I love. They actually look like really good quality. The cut is not the most amazing, but the actual brushes are so cute and small. They are plastic, they are pink, so super cute. Love. I love that it comes in this cute little like bag if you want to just keep them in here, or if you have like a separate little, you know, travel situation. Oh, it does say on the back, perfect travel sized brushes. Brush set includes a blush, a highlight, a foundation, a lip, a spoolie, a angled, a crease, and an eyeliner brush. Okay, awesome. Love. Saw some LA Colors products. Now I didn't need any more blushes or those little quads, but I picked up this blush from their Tropical Bloom collection. This is a new collection. I don't think I've purchased anything from this line. So this is the LA Colors blush in the shade Abloom, and it just looked really intriguing. I don't think I have this color again. And then getting ready because I am going to swatch some of these blushes for you guys. This is the new blush. Again, this is the one in Abloom, and it looks really pretty. And I'm going to compare it to the ones that I already have, but let me go ahead and swatch it. Look at that. Ooh. Alright, so there's a shade Abloom. And they also did come out with a Just Vibing collection, which I did debut here on my YouTube channel. I also have some videos over on TikTok as well. So this one here is in the shade Text Me, which is so bright. It's stunning as well. Let me go ahead and swatch it next to it so you guys could see the difference. This one here is Text Me, and this is Abloom. So this is definitely more pinky kind of vibes. And then we also have this shade here, which is more neutral, in the shade XOXO. Different vibe completely. So this one's giving wearable, this is giving like bubble pink, and this is like more peachy pink. But all of them are just as beautiful. Love this formula, so I had to pick up a new shade. I also saw they had a couple of eyeshadow palettes. So these are little quads from the LA Colors line. You guys know I have a lot of these. I'm gonna do like a TikTok showing you guys all my different LA Colors quads that come in this kind of packaging. But this is from their Tropical Bloom line as well, in the style Time to Retreat. So I just love that it had this blue tone in here. It just looks so beautiful. There's a close-up look at this quad. I'm telling you, girl, these shades in here are beautiful. I've done a couple looks, again, using these for get ready with me for work videos, like little short videos here on my reels, on shorts, on TikTok, everywhere. So you guys have seen these in action. It happens to have 3 shimmers and 1 matte in here. So pretty. There's a swatch of the 4 shades. The matte tone is honestly really light. I don't know how I'm gonna make that work, but we're gonna do a look using this palette soon. I did see this Sassy Chic makeup brush, and it looked really intriguing. It does come with like a dual color kind of situation. It looks like a powder brush, but you can use it for whatever you want. It just looks so cool. Oh, this one's definitely fraying a lot. I'm kind of sad. It's just like all the hairs are coming off. It looks like a really good brush for blush, or if you want to use it for powder, it's going to work for that as well. It's really big and it looks like it can do a lot. I'm just kind of sad that it like frayed so much, but I'm really looking forward to using this and seeing my full thoughts on this brush. But it looks so cool, right? And I believe this is the only shade of brush they had. Moving on to skincare, we have the Dermasil Labs oil-free night cream. So this just looked really intriguing. I've tried skincare from Dollar Tree before, and I really have been enjoying it. So I've never tried anything from this brand specifically, the Dermasil, but it does say it has squalene, vitamin C, vitamin E. There's a look at that. Let me know, please, if you've tried this, your thoughts. Does it work for you? I do have oily skin, so we're gonna see what this can do. Meant to deeply nourish and revitalize your skin while you sleep. So it's definitely something you're gonna throw on before bed. So I'm gonna try this out and see my thoughts. But if you have any thoughts of your own, please let me know in the comments. I also saw these Be Pure feminine wipes with pomegranate hibiscus extract. So it says it is pH balanced, fragrance free, and paraben free. And these are just really good to have on hand. I just thought I'd throw it in my collection. Why not? Even in my car or something. These are perfect for people who go to the gym as well, if you need like a quick refresh, you know, of any kind, or any time when you're just feeling that need, you know. So yeah, just some wipes to have, because you just never know. I also saw this personal care cleansing milk. This is their soothing cleansing milk, instantly hydrates and refreshes skin, and it comes with green tea in it. So again, another brand that I haven't really tried a whole lot from, personal care, but I was really intrigued by the packaging as well. So we're gonna see how this works. And I also love that it comes with a pump, which makes it really convenient to use. So yeah, again, a close-up look at that. First off, I noticed that they had this Luminant travel battery powered toothbrush. So it says this is a soft one, and it came in a pink shade, which is why I purchased it. It looks really interesting, right? So it says travel battery powered toothbrush. It's easy to pack, so you can take your toothbrush anywhere. It's simple one touch start and stop. It has a convenient toothbrush cover that helps protect bristles, and it vibrates. Also, it has a vibrating motion. It helps gently remove plaque. So this does require a AAA battery, which is not included. And it says the alkaline battery is recommended. Look at that. Ooh. So it has the on and off button right there. The bristles definitely look like they would be soft, but they're actually kind of rough. So you can remove the head. There we go. Okay, so they do go on the bottom of the brush. I kind of want to put a battery in here and see if it works. Okay, I'm back. I've added the battery to the brush. Okay, so you have to click it really hard so it can start vibrating on its own. This is supposed to remove plaque. So okay, it does what it says. Would I take this with me traveling? I'm not sure, but it looks really intriguing. So I'm glad I picked it up so we can try it together. But I'll definitely have to update you guys soon, whether it's something that I actually use, you know, all the time or something. But yeah, this is really interesting. Cannot wait to see if I actually use it. I also picked up 2 Colgate triple action toothbrushes. Toothpaste. So I did need to restock on this, so that's why I purchased that. But yeah, this is the one I go for. I love that it comes with a little like top to it. You don't have to twist it off, it just kind of like pops up. Love that. Super convenient. I love this toothpaste, which is why I keep purchasing it. Random products. We have the free gels cough drops. You guys know I always have to have these on hand, and I was running low, so I bought 2 different kinds. I bought the menthol eucalyptus. It's meant to soothe sore throats and temporarily relieves coughs. So this is the blue one, and then I also purchased my original one here in the menthol honey lemon, which is also meant to soothe sore throats. So it's basically they do the same thing, they're just different flavors. So this one here is in, again, menthol honey lemon, and then they also have the menthol eucalyptus one. So I just needed some cough drops. I picked up this. I wanted to try it out because I do take the, what is it, pink lemonade one. I'm not sure who the brand is. So this is a Sonic Pure Kick limeade. It's meant to hydrate. It has 0 sugar, low sodium. I just thought it looked interesting. And this one here is 5 calories for 1 stick, just in case you're like, you know, watching your weight or whatever. But yeah, it looks really interesting, so I want to try this out. And it does come with 6 sticks in here, so we're gonna see how this works. Just meant to keep you hydrated, you know. And I also picked up another tumbler, not that I needed another one, but this just looks so cute. I was debating whether to pick up the pink one or the blue one. They had a couple of other colors, but this is giving me a Five Below quality. They have a couple of these at Five Below as well. I think I paid $3 for this. Honestly, I don't remember, but it looks so nice. It's so cute. It's big as well. A lot is going to fit in here, and I just cannot wait to try it out. It does come with a straw, as most do, and you get a lot of room in here to throw your drinks. I'm not sure how long, like if you throw ice in here, how long it's going to be cold or whatever, but you know, I'm hoping that it works out for me because this is so cute. I wear a lot of pink, which is why I bought this one, because I like to match my tumblers to my outfit. I don't know if I'm the only one who does that, but this is adorable. Picked up a pillow. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show you guys, but in the $3 to $5 section, they have pillows now, and again, giving very much Five Below fantasy kind of vibe. So this is just so cute, a shaggy little like pillow. Don't know who the brand is. Let's see. It just says plus $5, but yeah, again, I paid $5 for this. It's so cute. It's a shaggy vibe. It goes with my aesthetic in my room, my bed decor and everything. So that's why I picked it up. But girl, why is it so expensive? $5 for a pillow? Girl, like why? But this is still so cute. I would go back. If I could go back, I would do it again. I would pick it up again, but I just need to cut this thing off. I forgot I bought some stickers because you just never know when you're gonna need them. This is the Crafters Square sticker collection. Big letters as well as little letters. So yeah, just assorted little things. They're like iridescent kind of stickers, which is why I purchased them. They just look stunning, so you just never know. Or like if I want to do like a collage or something, or if I want to do just whatever, I have these on hand. They're just stunning. I did repurchase the backpack from Dollar Tree. I like when I first purchased it, I didn't think like I might repurchase one day. Like no, like this is like whatever backpack. It's one that I use for when I want to take things to my job. I don't want to carry them if I am on my period and I want to hide my pads and they don't fit in my purse. I use my backpack. I take it to Disneyland with me, to Universal with me. So I literally use this little backpack for a lot of things. However, it's not the best quality, so that's why, you know, maybe I'd be better off buying a more expensive one that's gonna last me. But this is such a beautiful color. It's convenient. I pick it up at Dollar Tree. I'm always there anyway. So this is from Juncture. I think I've tried their socks before. This sounds familiar. This is their juncture drawstring bag. It comes in various colors, girl, but I picked up the pink one because it just goes with aesthetic, and it's just a big like drawstring backpack. It's really convenient. The one that I have already kind of started ripping because it's kind of old. I've had it for a while, so it's time to replace it, so that I went ahead and purchased another one of those. Lastly, from the $5 plus section, I picked up this from Hype. I think that's the brand. This is called the Bling steering wheel cover, and I already have a steering wheel cover that I got on sale from, I think it was Target or something, but I saw this and it has a universal fit. It is a blinged out like steering wheel cover, so it's just so cute, and it was in pink, so I went ahead and picked this up. Also, it's time to replace that cover anyway, so let me go ahead and get in here and see how this looks. Right, so there's a look at that. It is a light pink color. Now it doesn't look as cute as in the picture. It's still cute, so we'll see how this works and when I put this in my steering wheel. There's a look at that. All right, girls, so that was it. That was the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I do have a playlist which is going to be linked down below, so you guys can check out my past Dollar Tree videos. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls here on my channel, so definitely stick around, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys are notified when I upload a new video. I do a lot of Shop and Save videos, Temu videos, so definitely stick around for future ones. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, have you picked up any of these products? Have you tried any of them? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.